Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the headlight bulb on a Hyundai Santa Fe. Start by parking on level ground and switching off the engine. Open the hood and locate the rear of the headlight housing. Disconnect the negative battery cable, remove the dust cover, and unclip the bulb connector. Replace the old bulb with an H11 compatible bulb using gloves, reassemble the cover, reconnect the battery, and test the light. Begin with the hood open and a bright work light to see clearly. Locate the back of the headlight assembly and remove the protective dust cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Use a flat screwdriver if clips obstruct access, but avoid forcing plastic parts. Depress the connector tab and pull the wiring harness straight out to free the bulb. Handle the bulb by the base only, never touch the glass with bare hands, and inspect the socket for corrosion or damage. Carefully align the new H11 bulb with the socket tabs and push it in until it seats firmly without rotating the glass. Reattach the electrical connector until you hear a secure click, then replace the dust cap to keep moisture out. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, lower the hood, and switch on the headlights to confirm proper operation of low and high beams. Adjust aim if the beam pattern seems off, and dispose of the old bulb responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.